Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So friends, lots of doubt basically being asked by lots of candidates that भैया how to basically register in the TCS Code Vita. Okay, so you know that TCS Code Vita will happen in January or February in 2024. Okay, and lots of basically candidates are registering. Okay, so actually this is for the all first year, second year, third, fourth year. Okay, so if you are the students, BTech students, and you wanna go in TCS Code Beta, okay, and you know guys that lots of opportunity will be provided to the student. Okay, so both look at out that why how to register in that. Okay, so lots of students are basically commenting that please make it a particular video, so that's why I decided to make a particular video on this. So follow all this step very carefully to get registered in the TCS Code Beta, guys. Okay, and remember, don't miss any step and be careful in filling all the details, either email or your academic details, because that will be considered in basically getting placement in TCS and other important things. Okay, so make sure to follow the step very carefully. Okay, and don't skip any step. Okay, so first of all you have to come to the official website of TCS, that is the tcsnextstep.com. okay, and after that you have to basically just click here, that is the register now. So when you will click on the register now, then you have to basically select your category. Okay, so in that you can clearly visualize that you have to basically select IT or BPS. Okay, so if you are the students of IT, or you can say information technology, okay, then you have to click here this. Okay, simply आप कर सकते हैं अगर सॉफ्टवेयर वगैरह के लिए आप जानना चाहते हैं, then you have to click on the IT. And if you are basically business process service, okay, means if you have wanna apply for the business process service, then you have to click on this section. Okay, so actually most of the BTech students are basically wanna take in IT. Okay, then you have to basically just click on IT. Okay, so when basically you will click here, that is on the IT section, then a new window will appear just like this, where you have to basically give your personal detail. Remember guys, you have to give these details very carefully, because all types of mail and confirmation things will be gone to this particular mail, so be careful. Okay, so first of all you have to give here your mail and you have to basically verify the OTP. Okay, so after fulfilling all detail, I am showing you the next step, guys. So friends, after that this type of window will appear. Okay, basically here you have to give your all detail very carefully. Okay, simply you have to give your all things, that is the title, name, gender, mobile number, institute name, qualification. Remember, you have to give all detail very carefully, especially your qualification and institute name. Okay, so after fulfilling all detail, I am showing you the next step. Remember guys, be careful in fulfilling all this detail. Okay, get a reference number. Okay, that is the reference ID. Okay, so मैं security purpose के लिए भाई इसको blur कर देता हूँ. Okay, so simply you have to note this reference ID. Your college may demand this reference ID. Okay, so इस ये reference ID को रख लेना, and also you have to copy in the notepad. Okay, notepad में आप इसको copy कर ले, because you will require this in two. Okay, अब आपका 50% भाई task complete हो गया for registering into the TCS Code Vita. Now you have to basically open a new tab, that is the TCS Code Vita. Okay, so simply you have to basically log into this by providing your email ID. Okay, and basically you have to basically just sign in. Okay, so जो भी आपने email register करने के टाइम में दिया, same email ID आपको यहाँ देना है, and you have to basically sign in, guys. Okay, now for doing sign in you have to basically follow some other important things too. ओके, साइन इन के पास में आपको भाई आपका नेम पूछा जा सकता है, लास्ट नेम, ईमेल आईडी. ओके, एंड आफ्टर गिविंग ऑल डिटेल अ न्यू विंडो विल अपीयर. ओके, सो फॉर दैट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू डाउनलोड द माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑथेंटिकेटर ऐप. ओके, ये ऐप आपको भाई मोबाइल में डाउनलोड करना होगा, एंड सिंपली यू हैव टू स्कैन दिस कोड. ओके, सो यू हैव टू स्कैन दिस कोड, वट एवर द कोड दैट विल गिवन, एंड यू विल गेट OTP ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर ऐप. ओके, सो ये आप पहले आप प्ले स्टोर से डाउनलोड कर ले, बिकॉज फॉर सिक्योरिटी पर्पज TCS हैव गिवन दैट. ओके, एंड आफ्टर दैट you will be verified. Okay, and just you have to click on the submit. So after fulfilling the OTP, I am showing you the next step. So friends, when you will confirm the OTP, then a new window will appear, where you have to basically first verify the contact number, then you have to give the academic year of graduation. Okay, आप कब graduate होने, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, according to that you have to give. Then you have to give the nearest TCS location, whatever that. Okay, so various options will be shown according to that, Kolkata, Bhubaneswar, other important things. So you have to basically click on that, and after that basically just you have to fulfill the all detail. Okay, so सब detail fulfill करने के बाद भाई you will be registered. Okay, so you can see here that 100% complete. Okay, so when 100% will completed means you are completely registered. Okay, and now you have to basically be updated for mock test and the important interview. Okay, so this is a basic step to register on that. Okay, I hope informative to you. If you are facing any issue, feel free to ask here, comment here. We'll provide support to you. Thank you.